welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to do this unboxing for you guys. I've never done one on camera before, so this is gonna be exciting. This is my first box of 2020, and a lot of people will ask me, how do you get those boxes? Well, you need to interact with them on their social media, because that's really where they are the most active. I'm telling you, if you will do that, at least you'll get closer than you think to a daily goodie box. Make sure that you're responding to their posts, okay? And you can also sign up on their website, but please do both, okay? So here's how it looks inside. It has a nice pretty paper. Hopefully you guys can see that. And this little pamphlet thing says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. So you do have to review everything that you get in these boxes. That's just their little, you know, they can't give you all these free products if you don't review them. So, and when I tell you these boxes are usually chock full, they really are, like full-size stuff. So the first thing I see are these Mary's Gone crackers, original crackers, organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, whole grain. They look like flaxseed crackers, and I love flaxseed crackers. So I will definitely be eating these with like some hummus or something like that. They look so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are great if you have kids. These little applesauce pouches. North Coast organic fruit and veggie applesauce packs. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm still new at this camera, so they sent me 3. And here's what one looks like. They're so cute. I personally don't have any kids, so but I will be having these myself. No added sugar. This one is pear, blackberry, beet. No preservatives. And let's see. This one is, oh, this sounds so good. Mango, sweet potato, and apricot. Oh my goodness. I love mangoes and sweet potatoes. So that is going to be good. Let's see. What's this last flavor? Blueberry, spinach, and kale. That ought to be good too. Yeah. So far so good. But these boxes are usually always really good. Oh Lord, I needed this so much. A sleep helper. This is Michael's Naturopathic Program's Sleep Factors. Contains 5 HTP and melatonin, which is great because I have not been sleeping that well lately, and I will definitely be using these. I love that there's usually something organic, something natural in these boxes. You wouldn't normally get this quality of products in other boxes, so for free, this is so cool. Okay, so next I have the Coco Lux Hydration. This is like, let me see, yeah. Look at that bottle. That is so pretty with the stripes. Coco Lux Hydration, 100% pure coconut water. I love coconut water, and I usually don't drink it by itself, but I will probably make a smoothie with it. So great. And literally the ingredients are just 100% coconut juice. That's great. I love that. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh my goodness. An RXBAR. I love RXBARs. I had just bought like 5 of these recently, so I love to have these as a snack. This is the chocolate sea salt one, and it has 12 grams of protein from 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. I love RX bars, and I love the company in general. Like, they have the best like little peanut butter packets and almond butter packets. So good. I have those packets or just some of the peanut butter on my oatmeal in the morning, like every morning. So good. And let's see. Oh, I know someone that needs these right now. Poor thing. These are like little effervescent tablets for when you get like really dehydrated after you've been sick. This is coming at the perfect time. I love these. I have used these for years already. They're just really great. Let me open them for you guys so you can see exactly what they look like. These are so amazing to have when you're not feeling that good. They just look like this. They're just a little tab, and you just drop them in your water, however many depending on your age and stuff like that. And the chart is right here, so you don't take too many. But yeah, I just love these. I think in my last box I actually got the Hydralyte solution, but it came in a little container already that you can just drink it. You don't have to put it in water. So but anyway, this still works. These are still fine, and they're portable, so you can just like pop them in your bag and go head on with it. So love these. I'm glad that they are sending, you know, multiple useful products. So next I have, looks like it says Tosi, Tosi, and they are cashew super bites. Plant-based protein with chia and flax seeds. Oh, that sounds good. And it's like a bar. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, that looks good. As you can tell, like, there's so many health foods in these boxes. It's amazing. Like, I normally don't peek. Like, it's not a surprise. You know what you will get in each box, but I don't peek at the emails, so I make it my own surprise. So when I open the box, I'm literally looking at it with you guys at that time. Okay, y'all, I don't know how in the world I missed this in the original unboxing, but I figured out that I missed this. So I'm just adding this little insert here. Don't worry about my nails. I took them off. Um, so this is the MONGO Kiss Peppermint Eco Lips Lip Balm. It is a tried and true favorite. I have always loved this brand. I've been using it for years, so I'm so excited about getting this. Okay, so what you'll get that's standard in every box will be down at the bottom when you get finished with all of the products. You will get some like offers and information cards. There's a lot of coupons most of the times. This is just an information card about those applesauce pouches, and just giving you a little bit more information. Then here is exactly what I was just talking about. The Hydralyte in those little bottles. That's what I got last time. Now this does have a code on it, and it's for if you want to shop online at their on their website. So that is the other cool thing, is not only are you getting all of these like organic, natural products, helpful products sent straight to your door for free, but then they also send you coupons. Like, you cannot lose. If you want to use my codes, they haven't said anything about not me personally using my code, so feel free to use them if you want to. If you see something in a video that I do, feel free to use the code, because if I'm showing it, I might not use it. Like, I'll put my finger over a code that I know that I want to use. So feel free. So anyways, that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.